Want to make AI-generated videos using Google Veo 3? In this video, you'll learn how to create videos with prompts, settings, and style options, all in a few simple steps. Let's start by opening your browser and searching for Gemini. Now, click on the first link from the search results. Once the site loads, click on the Sign In button. Now sign in with your Gmail account. First, type your Gmail address. Then click Next. Enter your Gmail password and click Next again. You'll be asked to verify your account using your phone number. Complete the verification process. Once you're signed in, you'll see a text box. Here, just type in detail what you want your video to show, like a script or topic explanation. Then press Enter. Now wait for 3 to 5 minutes. Gemini will automatically create the video for you. Once it's ready, you can play the video. And yes, it will play with sound. To download the video, click on the download icon. Then click on Save As, choose the location where you want to save the video, and click Save. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.